So, have you ever stared at a beautifully designed website and just thought, man, I wish I could build something like that, but I literally have zero idea how to code? Well, what if you could just bypass the coding part entirely? Today, we're looking at the ultimate shortcut. In this explainer, we're going to dive into how completely free AI tools have totally dismantled the technical coding barrier. Seriously, whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just somebody looking for a brand new revenue stream, we're going to show you exactly how to jumpstart a web design business without having to write a single line of complex code. So let's just dive right in. Welcome to the AI Web Design Blueprint. As we unpack this source material today, we are going to completely demystify the whole website building process together. We're totally taking the guesswork out of the equation for you. By leaning into the core principles we'll cover today, you're going to see exactly how AI can step in as your ultimate creative partner, helping you build real, tangible skills and offer services that are honestly just incredibly highly sought after right now. All right, here is our quick roadmap for today's explainer. We'll kick things off with the web design opportunity, then move right into getting started with AI. After that, we'll hit building your first website, building a portfolio, finding your first clients, and wrap it all up with mastering the long game. I promise to guide you step by step from absolute beginner to being totally equipped to monetize these awesome new skills. Let's do this. Okay, part one, the web design opportunity and the absolutely massive digital demand that's driving it right now. It's really crucial to understand this landscape before we actually start building anything. Think about it for a second. Almost every single business out there needs a strong digital storefront. We're talking restaurants, gyms, schools, local clinics, online stores, freelancers, neighborhood startups, the whole shebang. I mean, we've all been there, right? You try to look up a local restaurant menu online, and you're hit with some blurry, totally unreadable photo from like 2015 on a random social media page. It's incredibly frustrating. But here is the massive opportunity for us. These business owners are usually way too busy actually running their day-to-day operations to sit down and figure out web design themselves. And that is exactly where you step in to provide incredible value. Moving right along to part two, getting started with AI. And spoiler alert, the best news here is that there is absolutely no high-end software required. The barrier to entry here is just wonderfully low. To get started, you honestly only need a few basics: a computer, or really even just a smartphone, reliable internet, some totally free AI tools, a bit of time, and some curiosity. That's it. You absolutely do not need an expensive, crazy multi-monitor rig or pricey subscriptions on day one. The tools you need to build a thriving business are likely sitting literally right in front of you at this very moment. But hold on, before we just let AI take the wheel, we really need to talk about human understanding. AI is an amazing tool, but it's not the boss. You are the director here. So you really need a firm grasp on website basics. Knowing where a navigation menu actually belongs, how a services section should flow naturally, and why social proof like client testimonials absolutely matter. You have to know what each page does and how users actually navigate it, basically because you need to know exactly what you're directing that AI to build for you. All right, part three, building your first website. This is the really fun part, where we start using AI as your ultimate efficiency multiplier. So here is a major shift in perspective for you. We aren't just using AI to write boring code. We're actually using it to do all the heavy lifting of the planning phase. Think of it like a tireless, brilliant brainstorming partner. It can generate catchy business names, write super compelling headlines, map out page layouts in seconds, and clean up your grammar. It handles the bulk of the content creation. But, and this is absolutely vital, so don't skip this, always review and customize the AI suggestions. You have to make sure the final output perfectly matches your client's unique voice and specific needs. Once that planning is done, the human, that's you, takes over. Using modern drag-and-drop builders, you basically just assemble the pieces the AI handed to you. Again, you don't need to write code. Your main priority? Ensuring that the design looks just as flawless on a tiny mobile phone screen as it does on a massive desktop monitor. You're the one focusing on usability and making sure every single one of those client requirements is met. AI gives you the puzzle pieces, and you get to put them together. And while we're building, we've got to keep the core elements of good design front and center. I mean, a website can be visually stunning, a real work of art, but if a customer can't find the Contact Us button, it's failed its primary job, period. True usability is king. That means lightning-fast load times, perfectly readable fonts, and super intuitive navigation.
Sure, a consistent color palette is great for building brand identity, but if the site isn't highly functional and easy for the customer to use, all that pretty design stuff simply doesn't matter.
Moving right along to part 4, building a portfolio to actually prove your new skills. Now, you might be sitting there wondering, okay, how on earth do I build a portfolio with 0 actual clients? Well, the secret is to build fictional but highly realistic websites. Design a super sleek layout for an imaginary local barbershop, a trendy neighborhood coffee shop, or maybe a modern online store. Doing this lets you compile a clean, diverse gallery to showcase your specific style to potential clients with absolutely 0 pressure. You're essentially building your own resume completely from scratch, entirely on your own terms. It's a total game changer. Part 5, finding your first clients. This is where we make that exciting shift to monetization. Let's talk about getting paid. So, with your shiny new portfolio ready to go, you start creating your own opportunities. Reach out to local businesses in your area whose sites look a bit, well, outdated. Remember that restaurant with the blurry menu we talked about earlier? That is your perfect target. You can also hop onto global freelance marketplaces to offer your services, and definitely post your sleek designs on social media to start building authority. Do great work, maintain top-tier professional communication, and I promise you those first few clients will naturally turn into really powerful referrals down the road. And finally, part 6, mastering the long game. Because getting a client is a fantastic milestone, for sure. But building a sustainable career, that's the ultimate goal here. To truly thrive long-term, we need to look at common beginner mistakes and contrast them directly with professional habits. First rule, never ever copy AI blindly. Always review it and customize it with your own human touch. Second, never ignore mobile users, since that is literally where most web traffic lives today. Mobile responsiveness, totally non-negotiable. And finally, resist the urge to overcomplicate things. Flashy animations are super fun to play with, but clean, simple usability is what actually converts visitors into paying customers for your clients. And these differences really bleed into how you manage your entire business too. Amateurs will just throw in generic, low-quality images. Professionals use crisp, high-quality media to instantly build trust. Beginners sometimes panic and make completely unrealistic promises just to secure a gig, whereas professionals rely on clear, honest communication to manage client expectations right from the jump. And honestly, perhaps the biggest trap of all is stopping your learning the minute your first project goes live. The real best practice, continuous growth. Always be learning. Yes, AI makes you incredibly fast, but mastering foundational disciplines is what actually brings lasting success. You should always be brushing up on design principles, website accessibility, ensuring everyone can actually use your sites, SEO basics so your clients can actually be found on Google, and of course, overall user experience. This right here is the human expertise that AI simply cannot replicate on its own. So, what is your ultimate takeaway from all of this? I think it boils down to a really simple mantra. Learn, build, practice, create, value, grow your skills. AI is a historic tool for efficiency, allowing you to build websites faster than ever before, but lasting success still fundamentally relies on understanding human needs, meeting your clients exactly where they are, and consistently creating genuine value for real-world businesses. I really want to leave you with this fantastic quote straight from our source material. Building websites with AI isn't about replacing creativity, it's about improving productivity. I just love that because it perfectly validates exactly why you are so important to this whole process. You bring the human creativity, the empathy for the client, and the eye for good design. AI simply takes away the tedious coding and puts your workflow into overdrive. And remember, every single expert web designer out there started exactly where you are sitting right now, with just a single, very first project. Which brings us to the single most important question of this entire explainer. You've got the blueprint. You've got the completely free AI tools right at your fingertips. You know exactly how to build a portfolio and hunt down those first clients. The barrier to entry has quite literally vanished. So, what will your first project be? Get out there, start experimenting, and go build something absolutely amazing today.